compound monocular microscope 40x-2000x magnification coaxial coarse and fine adjustment, FUD adapter, LED illumination, microscope for adults Windows and Mac compatible with eyepiece camera. About this item. Microscope camera digital wireless professional microscope with eyepiece camera for a larger field of view on a computer or projector, easy data sharing and analysis on Mac OS X Windows, sharing in and out of the classroom, or sharing with others for friends and family. High magnification, adult microscope wide-angle eyepiece with a clear picture larger perspective. The lens uses optical glass lens high light transmission rate wide field of view, imaging picture clear. With 4x10x40x objective lens can be magnified 40x-2000x magnification, you can better explore the microscopic world. LED illumination, compound microscope with built-in LED illumination with transmission light source to examine transparent and solid specimens. LED light source illuminates every cell, from specimen to cell, every place is clearly visible, and with disc diaphragm to provide high-resolution color-corrected images fine focus. Sturdy design, microscope coarse micro-focusing to make the imaging clearer, with coarse micro-focusing knob, observe the target more quickly tuned clear. Fine-tuning 0.001 m more accurate than ordinary knobs. Satisfactory after-sales service, the ergonomic design of the monocular microscope helps to avoid cervical discomfort caused by long-term use and helps to keep the user in the correct posture. If you have any quality problems with our products, please feel free to contact us. We will actively solve the problem.
Thank you for watching Gadgets Hunt. Don't forget to subscribe.